Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2022 Nissan Navara, stock number 7226. This ran from the fall of 2015 to the current shape. Is a YS23DTT 2.3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine with a 7-speed automatic transmission. This is a YS23 twin turbo diesel engine. Left-hand headlight. Left front 18-inch factory automatic tyre. Left rear 18-inch factory automatic tyre. Left hand tail light. Rear tailgate 2 dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory automatic tyre. Right rear door no dents. Right front 18-inch factory automatic tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter, AC controls, factory touchscreen satnav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,